and they were police officers, and the fact that the people in the neighborhood knew that they were lying, and that we got probation for that, it was disheartening.
In a
A required weekly test has been issued for the entire state of Alabama, including every county, effective until 3:14 a.m.